Cebuanos versus Canadians, the price tag shock. Alright, let's talk about the difference between Cebuanos and Canadians when it comes to expensive things. Picture this: a Cebuano and a Canadian walk into a store. This is not the start of a joke. Okay, maybe it is. They both see a fancy jacket. The Cebuano checks the price tag, $500. His soul leaves his body. He starts calculating in pesos like a mathematician solving the meaning of life. $500? That's almost 20,000 pesos. Makapalit na kog usa ka baboy. Not just any pig. A fully grown, free-range, Bisaya-speaking baboy nga ni pamilya. Pwede na ko mag lechon business. Pwede ko magpa-aircon sa among balay. At least for 1 month lang kay mahal ang kuryente. Pwede ko magpakasal. But only if my girlfriend agrees, which is still 50-50. Wow, only $500? What a steal! What a steal! The Cebuano is now having a personal crisis. He stares at the Canadian like he just committed financial blasphemy. The tension in the air is palpable as he grapples with his thoughts. The weight of the situation hangs heavily on his shoulders. Jun sa nimo pag-ingon nga barato ni? To Cebuanos, only $500 does not exist. There is no such thing as only $500. That phrase is illegal in our vocabulary. If something costs 500 pesos, we're already bargaining like our life depends on it. 8. Na kay discount, ako lang ibutang sa plastic, wala na box. Pila kung duha among palitan, wala kay buy one, take home the display. And the worst part? When the Canadian buys the jacket, he happily taps his card and leaves. Meanwhile, the Cebuano is still standing there, traumatized, whispering to himself. Makapalit ko agusa ka baboy. End of story.